Get ready to embrace the future of cybersecurity. The world is about to witness an incredible revolution in the identity and access management IAM domain. And guess who's leading the way? Artificial intelligence, AI. Experts predict that AI will have a massive impact on the industry. 92% of cybersecurity professionals agree. With data breaches on the rise, businesses are prioritizing robust multi-factor authentication MFA systems. And here's where AI-powered solutions come into play. But wait, it gets even better. AI technology is more than just a buzzword. It can analyze user behavior, monitor devices against unauthorized access, and prevent cyber threats, taking your security to the next level. With phishing-resistant MFA highly recommended, businesses can now leverage AI-powered MFA solutions to protect their sensitive data from cyber threats. So get ready to embrace the new era of cybersecurity, where AI-powered MFA solutions can significantly improve your security posture and safeguard your business against cyber threats.